Hi, this is Rob. I'm going to show you how to change the font size in the Nokia 3310 2017 2G cell phone. I have the 2G version of the phone. If you have the 3G version, your menu system may be different. You have a choice of two font sizes, normal and large. On the left is the normal font size, and on the right is the large font size. To change the font size, go to Settings in the menu. Right here, this settings icon here. Then go down to Display Settings. Go to Font Sizes. Press Choose. You have three areas to change the font size: Messaging, Contacts, and Menu. I'm going to change the font size to large for all three. First, I will go into Messaging. You see the two choices, normal or large. I'll select large. Okay, I will go back. Now down to Contacts. Press Choose. There are the two font sizes. Select large. Okay, go back. Now down to Menu. There are the two font sizes, normal and large. Select large. That is done. Go back. Okay, that is it. That is how to change the font size of the Nokia 3310 2017 2G cell phone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel.